Welcome to Susie Stuff, everybody. I'm Susie, and today I am bringing you a gigantic fall haul. We are going to stop at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Hobby Lobby, Target, and Big Lots. Haven't been there in a while. I found some huge sales at every stop, and I just love this new navy blue I'm seeing scattered around. And I grabbed my mom and her friend too. Aren't they super cute? Plus, in today's episode, I have my 60-second DIY. That's right, and I am so excited to share it with you. So grab your water and sneakers and let's hit the road for this gigantic fall haul. Come on! And our first stop is Target, and I could not believe the little bargains that I found in the dollar spot. There is this Hello Fall little craft kit. It comes with the words and these little pumpkins and this board, and it was $3. I cannot wait to tear that open. How darling! And then this one I found had 4 stencils in it. A couple were pumpkins, and then there were 2 that were sort of Halloween themed. And it comes with the board, a hanger, and I think you can do a reverse side. It has this black sort of blackboard. I love it. $3. Yes, that's right. And then I found this little wreath kit. How cute! And it's all ready. It's got the little ring. It's got some felt little leaves. And we can add some more to really make it fall. $3 again. Now, are you ready for this? Oh, this was the best, I think, of all today. Is this beautiful marble sort of ceramic little cutting dish. It was $5. I got it for 50 cents. I mean, I had to take it up to the register to make sure that that was marked correctly. How gorgeous. And it has that touch of blue in it. And I even found another one. 50 cents, y'all. 50 cents. And I love it. We're going to do a little something with this. And the register lady was just like, I have to go back there and see. And I said, yes, there's some more left. So that was, I think, my best deal of the day. And this beautiful bottle, 50 cents as well. Can you believe it? 50 cents. 50 cents. That's my kind of bargain. And it has that little touch of blue. So Target was a success. Next stop, Dollar General. First, I found this beautiful navy blue basket. There's that blue color. And these beautiful placemats. Hey there, pumpkin. I got a couple of those. They were $2 a piece. And then I had to have these lemon placemats for myself. And then I found these window clings. Look how beautiful they are this year. $1 a piece on these. And look at that truck. Oh, can we do some stuff with that? I love it. And then the last one has some pumpkins that has that navy blue as well. Love it so much. And Dollar General was a success. Next is Hobby Lobby. And I had to go there just to pick up a couple of supplies for crafting. And of course, you have to stop at the scrapbook paper. So I got some fall colors and themes. And then I found this beautiful navy blue. What can we do with that? They also have 75% off on their spring stuff. So I found this cute basket. Got it for $2.99. And you always have to go over to the 90% off. And I found these letters. They were like 60 cents, 40 cents, and I think that one there is 30 cents. So let's see what we can do with those. And then the last thing I found was this little home, I don't even know what you call it, like a hanger type thing, but it was ceramic. And I got it for $2.99. So we can put that on a wreath or something. So Hobby Lobby was a success. No time to stop. It's off to Big Lots. So first I found this really cute bag, farmer's market bag. How cute, $1.50. And then I found this burlap ribbon. This whole row was $5. I thought that was a good deal. And then the last thing of all was this beautiful galvanized tray. It was $12, and I guess it was in their summer stuff, and I got it for 75% off. I love a bargain. And then our last stop was Dollar Tree. And I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos already with some of the things, but I just wanted to share a couple that I got. And a lot of my stuff was not all there yet. They had some Halloween things, but it was so picked over. I mean, people really have already started shopping. And so I got all of these things here, and I found some Harvest and Halloween little pins. The lady said that they would be stocking up some more next week, I think. So I'm in no hurry. I love fall, but there's so much to do. So I found these little cute haunted house, and then this little box jack-o'-lantern. It opens up so we can throw some lights in there. And I really have enough stickers, but these were so cute. I had to have these. I really don't need that much supplies this year because I have a lot left over from last year. But there was a couple of items here and there that I just had to have. Look at these buckets. Love them. Those are pretty much new. I've never seen those before. And look at this gold sparkly leaves. I love those. And I love that pumpkin color. Look at that. I don't think I'm going to do anything to it. Now this leaf is new. That's going to be really pretty to maybe use some of the scrapbook paper. The Hello October is darling. And then this little shadow box. Super cute. Let's see what else. Oh, I found these little pebbles. Now, of course, we see pebbles all the time, but I've never seen these teeny tiny ones. So I had some thoughts about those. This was really pretty. I love it. I don't really like the home in the front. I like the background, so we're going to do something with that. I found some orange burlap small ribbon, and then this candle. It smelled so good. It's called Amber Woods. So that's going to be fun to put out. And then let's see. Oh, just a few fall picks. Of course, you have to have that. Maybe some ribbon, and then this amber jar. I am pooped. We had a day. But hey, everybody, wake up. It's time for my 60-second DIY. Yes, that's right. It's Susie Stuff Tuesdays 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, some of the stuff you just saw. The clock has started, and we are going to start out with some of the Dollar Tree picks, some twine, my beautiful 50-cent jar that I found at Target, and we're just going to throw all this together. Like, it's going to be super quick. I don't even know if I'm going to do it in 60 seconds, but this first little pick, I love it. It's beautiful, and it's from Dollar Tree, but I didn't like the orange in there, and some of those little pieces were kind of torn apart, so I just took out a few of them, cut them off. I just didn't like that orange, so we're going to cut those off. So I'm already at 12 seconds left. I kind of put this together in 30 seconds, so I'm talking a little bit more. So we're just going to throw it all together. Part of the last of the video I didn't show, but I wrapped this twine around it, and here's how it came out. What do you think? I love this blue. I think you're going to see that a lot in my upcoming DIYs for fall. Look at that pumpkin, and look at my 50-cent cutting board. Did that just not pull it all together? I am thrilled how this came out. Wow. Ooh, that was an episode. I want to thank you for joining me today. It was so much fun to bring you all the things that I found, and I hope that you're able to find some of the great bargains. Don't forget about Target. Thank you for commenting, subscribing, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time on Susie Stuff. Bye, everybody.